Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to create a responsive restaurant website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. A stunning website with a light and dark mode feature, complete with all essential sections you would expect from a restaurant website. So here we are in the home page section of the restaurant. We have the following sections, that is home, services, about, menu, contact us. And in the services section we have uh, three different services, that is excellent food is provided here, and drinks and events are also organized by the restaurant. Next we have about us section where you can know the history of the restaurant with a button feature to know more. Then we have our menu section with late with a add to cart section button. And then we have an our app section where you can download the mobile app from App Store as well as from Google Play Store. Then we have contact us section through which you can chat with the restaurant, which is 24/7. Then we have the footer section which shows the services like delivery, events, drinks and reserving your table. Information, that is to know more about the restaurant, contact us, privacy policy, terms of services and the address of the restaurant with social media icons. This is the button function that is added to move to the starting section. We have also integrated the swiper function and to increase the smooth functionality, that is as we go from one section to another section, the revealing of the images as well as the content appears just like this. And it is entirely made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And this website is also available in dark mode, that is here we have the button that is the moon symbol. Now we are in the dark mode, and it is very good to have more features which increases the what you can say is that which increases the people to look over your website more freely, and it also gives you a professional look to your restaurant website. So the more the people love your website, there are more chances that they will be heading towards ordering the food from your website. And the website is entirely responsive, that is it is it is available in mobile version, it is available in tab version as well as desktop version. So let me give you a small look into it. So this is the desktop version as you've seen before, and yes, you can see how smoothly the revealing is happening. It is JavaScript. Mm, Now we are gonna see the mobile version. Here we are, this is the mobile version of the restaurant website, and you can see the services section, then about us section. You can see how smoothly the revealing of items is taking place. This is solely using by JavaScript. And contact section, the footer section, and we have the menu bar you can see here, that is home, services, about, contact us, and we have also have the light section, that is to from changing from light mode to dark mode. And this is also available in tab view. Let me just show you that. This is the tab version. Here you can see the menu bar. Definitely try to use the swiper. That is a JavaScript library which is very useful. It gives a very professional look to your website. Very smooth revealing, and it is not very hard to code also. It is very easy to code, and it is really very easy to code, and it will give a very professional look to your website. So it is the entire website is available in three, that is desktop mode, tab, as well as for mobile view. Definitely try to build this website. I've given the source code in the link. The live preview of the link is also given. Try to add, if you want to add more features, definitely try to comment them below. I will definitely like to know. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. And if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.